Hey everyone, Insert here. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce internet lag and latency in 2026. So if you're dealing with high ping while gaming, buffering on calls, or slow response times, these quick fixes can help stabilize your connection. First, switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Yeah, wired connections are more stable and usually have much lower latency than Wi-Fi. Next, restart your router and modem. Unplug both devices, wait about 30 seconds, then power them back on. This clears temporary network congestion. Now, close any background apps that use the internet. Downloads, cloud sync, and streaming in the background can increase your ping. If you must use Wi Fi, connect to the 5 gigahertz network. Yeah, it usually has less interference and lower latency at close range. Next, log into your router settings and change the Wi Fi channel. Crowded channels from nearby networks can cause spikes in latency. Finally, update your network drivers and router firmware. Outdated software can create stability and latency issues, and that's it. These steps should reduce internet lag and lower your latency. Yeah, smoother gaming, clearer calls, and faster response times. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tech tips.